Welcome back to Tonghack's channel. In this video, I will show you how to sign out of Google Chat on iPhone. First, you open the Google Mail app and click here first to go to your Google Chat. To sign out, click on the three horizontal lines on the top corner right of the screen and then choose Settings. The next step is you click on Chat and click on the toggle until the color is gray. And then choose Turn Off. Now you can't access Google Chat in your phone, but it is for temporary because you can reactivate it again just using the same method. And if you want to sign out completely, you have to remove the account from your phone. You can click your photo on the top corner right of the screen and then choose Manage Accounts on this device. And you can turn off the toggle or remove account from this device to sign out completely. That's all. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video, subscribe for other tutorial videos, and leave your thoughts in the comment section. I'll see you guys.